Welcome back to Product Critique, the place where we break down the best gear to elevate your adventures. Today, we're diving into the best life jacket for adults, a U.S. Coast Guard approved life vest designed for reliability, safety, and versatility. The Hardcore Life Jacket Paddle Vest. This life jacket is a Type 3 PFD, meaning it's approved for a wide range of water activities where a quick rescue is likely. Things like jet skiing, wakeboarding, kayaking, or just chilling on a pontoon boat. What makes this vest stand out is its combination of high performance and smart design. Let's start with the fit. This is the adult universal size, and it's built to be adjustable. Thanks to 1-inch webbing straps and quick-release buckles, you're getting a snug, secure fit whether you're lean or broad-shouldered. It's the kind of vest that doesn't make you feel bulky or restricted, which is perfect when you're paddling or getting back on a jet ski. Durability is key when you're on the water, and this jacket delivers. It's made from heavy-duty polyester Cordura fabric that's rugged enough to withstand abrasions from gear, boards, or docks. Inside, you've got closed-cell PE foam, which gives you the flotation power you need without adding weight. It's OL listed and U.S. Coast Guard approved. That means it meets strict standards for flotation and performance. It's designed to keep your face up and your head tilted back in calm water, which could make a critical difference in emergencies. This isn't a one-color-fits-all situation either. The Hardcore Paddle Vest comes in a range of vibrant colors, from blue, neon yellow, orange, to purple and white, all of which boost visibility on the water. It's not just about looking good. High visibility makes it easier for others to spot you in the water, especially in lower light conditions. If you're shopping for the whole family or group, Hardcore Water Sports has sizes for everyone: kids, youth, and adults. That makes this vest a reliable pick if you're outfitting a boat, rental setup, or just preparing for your next big lake trip. It's affordable. You're getting a rugged, Coast Guard approved life vest with real build quality, without breaking the bank. It's the ideal extra life jacket to stash on your pontoon boat or bring along for guests. So whether you're out fishing, chasing wakes, or just relaxing in calm inland waters, the Hardcore Life Jacket Paddle Vest brings peace of mind and performance in one sleek, comfortable package. That's it for today's breakdown on Product Critique. If you're looking for the best adult life jacket that balances safety, comfort, and durability, you've just found it. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more gear reviews, and drop us a comment on what outdoor gear you want us to feature next. Thanks for watching, and stay safe out there.